Our whole experience from beginning a year and a half ago until now has just been tremendous.
I'm Julie Langfeld, and I live in the Cove of Nichols Creek.
I'm Rob Langfeld, and I also live in the Cove.
You know, we went on Zillow a lot. Being from Chicago, it wasn't easy to get down here to look, you know, with a realtor or anything like that. Just nothing compared to the features. And having a brand new home, being the first owner, was super special for us.
I really liked the second story bonus room and the fact that upstairs it's got a full bedroom and a full bathroom, which is great for our son. And then even down the road, when he moves out, we're going to have out-of-town guests, and if they want to stay up there and have their own floor, they can do that and really enjoy themselves when they stay with us.
Guest suite. My all-time favorite feature is by far the kitchen. I love the kitchen. I love the storage it provides. The island is amazing.
Before we closed on the home, the few minor things that needed fixing were addressed right away, and we didn't have any issues, and we were able to close on our date. And the date that was given to us months ahead of time is the date we closed, and so fantastic start to finish.
I would definitely recommend Tabor to family and friends. Absolutely.
Yeah, we're actually trying to figure out who we want to move down here and which houses are available for them to kind of come down and scope out so that they could be our neighbor, you know, our friends from up north that would be looking to make a quality of life move down to warmer weather and such. Yeah, so we're already scoping out potential homes for some of our family and friends for sure.